For now, 13 News Now investigative reporter Evan Watson looked at how much weight these resolutions really hold.
Second Amendment sanctuary resolutions are being passed in anticipation of the upcoming General Assembly session, when Democrats are likely to propose new gun safety legislation. And in comparison to state law, these resolutions appear to just be symbolic gestures. At a Gloucester County meeting Tuesday, a majority of people in attendance supported a Second Amendment sanctuary resolution.
The guns aren't the problem. The people are the problem.
Amen.
The Board of Supervisors unanimously passed it, but even Representative Chris Hudson acknowledged it lacks weight.
What we're looking at passing tonight is more figurative than anything. It doesn't have a lot of guts to it.
It's why Norfolk Delegate Jay Jones wrote a letter to Virginia Attorney General Mark Herring asking for clarity and an opinion on the validity of Second Amendment sanctuaries.
Certainly a confusing issue for a lot of folks out there and constituents who see a locality doing a resolution or passing a resolution and then not understanding how that interplays with the rest of the body of law that we've got here in Virginia.
Virginia is a Dillon's Rule state, meaning local governments are limited to the powers expressly granted to them by the state legislature. Most regulation of guns is decided by the state General Assembly, where Democrats are expected to propose new gun safety legislation in the upcoming session.
No one is talking about taking anyone's guns. No one's talking about infringing upon the Second Amendment. Certainly there are concerns about any laws that might be passed, but anything that we pass has to be compliant with the Constitution of the United States and can't preempt federal law in the same way that anything that's passed at the local level can't preempt state law.
Following the Virginia Beach mass shooting and the Virginia special session on gun legislation this summer, Republican leaders directed the Virginia State Crime Commission to issue a report on mass killings and gun violence. The VSCC gave no recommendations, but concluded any changes to gun laws are policy decisions, which can only be made by the General Assembly. Gun legislation will be a flashpoint issue for the upcoming General Assembly session, where Democrats hold majorities in both houses of the state legislature for the first time in 20 years. Reporting in studio, Evan Watson, 13 News Now.